Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. Today is day 7 of FACEMASKTOBER and we are going to be testing out and reviewing the Collagen Hydrogel Gold Mask by Maskology, I think is how it's pronounced. It says that it's a skin tightening elasticity intensive mask. The Hydrating Gold Gel Mask loaded with collagen and gold will help hydrate and revitalize dull, fatigued skin while detoxifying the impurities in skin to give an overall glow and life to the skin. It's a whole lot of stuff in one mask. The Gold Hydrogel Mask is formulated with natural ingredients such as gold and collagen. The Collagen Gold Mask penetrates deep into the skin to give real results in 20 minutes. The gel mask hydrates, softens, and detoxifies the skin while helping in blood circulation, minimizing pores, and diminishing fine lines and wrinkles. So step 1, wash your face to remove makeup and any environmental toxins. I have done that. I actually wore makeup today. I wore makeup from 11 this morning to about 9:30 tonight, which I'm impressed right now. Step 2, gently unfold the mask and place on your face. Adjust the eyes, nose, and mouth opening. Relax for 20 minutes with the mask in place. Remove the mask from your face and discard. No need to rinse. Massage remaining product into your face and neck. I had to go write numbers on all of these because FACEMASKTOBER was really starting to play me. And I was getting confused what day I was doing and what I was going to do because I don't want to do similar masks back to back. I kind of want to keep switching it up. That way we don't get bored. It smells good. It smells like really yummy perfume. Oh, it's a 2-part mask. Ah, how did I not know that? It's like really, really slippery. So once again, nothing like the picture. Come on. There's got to be an easier way to do this. Well, it is gold sparkly, but no. It feels good. Oh, I'm going to tell you that. It's nice and cooling. Must be the gel part. And I change way up here. Okay, I know I'm not going to be able to talk while wearing this, but before we start the clock here, I'm going to say, I'm already disappointed that it's not gold. I mean, this is clear. This is translucent. That's gold. I expected it to be that color. But it is sparkly gold. So I don't know if the camera will pick this up or not, but I'm going to try my best. So you see how it has sparkles in there? No, not on me. There you go. So, I mean, it's got gold in it. It's just not, like, solid gold looking. Not that I actually expect it to be real gold, but just a little disappointing. Okay, so I started the timer for 20 minutes, so I'm going to go relax as suggested, and we will be back when it's done. Alright, so we are back. Our 20 minutes is up. Just to let you know, several times I did have to like move this back up, and when I was doing that, my nail kept puncturing it, so like I actually have like a little rip over here, and my nails are real nails right now, so the ends of them are kind of sharp because they're like getting worn down. But yeah, so we're going to take this off now. Ew. I don't know, something about that being like clear just is not appealing to me at all. And then did say to rub in the remaining serum. let's let you know what I think here. So it's supposed to be skin tightening, hydrating, detoxifying, and it also looks like it's supposed to give you a glow. It's supposed to be diminishing fine lines and wrinkles, improve circulation, minimize pores. So let me take a closer look in my mirror here and I will let you know what I think. Okay, so my skin does feel tighter. I do feel like I do have a glow to my skin. Once again, the serum is still on my skin, so that helps with that. I sort of feel hydrated, but not nearly as hydrated as I have felt with other masks that we have used so far. And that's probably about it. I don't really feel like it did anything for my pores. I don't feel like it has done any type of detoxifying. I don't know how it would. I don't think it really has anything in here to do that. It just says gold and collagen, so I don't know how either one of those helps with detoxifying. And so it does say that those things help with hydrating and revitalizing the skin, but it doesn't tell you what's in here that is supposedly detoxifying. So I'd probably pass on this one just because I think it's misleading. The picture on here, I would expect it to be something more solid than this. And I really don't think it did anything different than some of the other masks that we have tried that are a little bit more fun. So this one I could probably pass on. I had a lot more high hopes for this when I saw it, that it would be a lot more fun, but no, not really. So a no-go on this one. And that's everything for this video. Please comment down below if you've tried this mask already and how you felt about it. Please give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. That way you don't miss out on my future videos. Until tomorrow's next FACEMASKTOBER video, I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye, everybody.